Hey guys, welcome to our channel and looking for a simple way to track your trades, analyze your performance and level up your investing game, then in this video we will review the Stonk Journal and show you exactly how to use it. So let's get started. So Stonk Journal is a web-based tool designed for stock and option traders. It helps you journal every trade, review detailed analytics and spot patterns in your trading behavior. So think of it like a fitness tracker but for your portfolio. Now let's talk about the key features of this platform. So the first thing here is the top features, that easy trade login and broker import support, profit or loss analytics and win rate tracking, strategy tagging and emotional notes, and performance charts and trade history timeline. And now let's head to how we can actually use this. So first you have to simply go to the stonkjournal.com, and from here you can log into your account if you have one, or you can create it by simply click on get started or this get started button here. Now when you have click on it, you will find two options, that you can manually create an account with your name, email and a manual password, or you can use your Google account, and this is pretty much easy. You have to simply click on it and give all the permission that they can access of your Google account. Now you have to wait until they create the dashboard for you, and here it is where you can find the dashboard. Now you can do is you can connect your broker account and manually enter the trade. You can actually find something like here, you can find your name and simply click on save, and here you can see it is saved. It is the personal information, and here is your account settings where you can edit the settings. You can select the currency here, all of this. Now tag management, where you can add some tag here, that the name, the category and the description here. So all of these are actually for the management, or you are tracking your portfolio. So simply this is for password and security. Now here is your dashboard where you can find all of the coin from here. Now you can do is click on new trade here, then you can try to add some new trade in stock, option, crypto, future, forex, index. So for example the crypto, so the symbol is like BTC, target or stop loss here, then simply click on this here and simply click on save. Sorry for that. The quantity, for example 1, and something, I'm going to add some random number here, and a simple save. Now here you can see it is start to tracking, so you have to simply click on it and you can delete it anytime you want. And also there is a new setup, that you can create a setup with that side. You can add long-term side or short-term. You can choose the market. It could be crypto, stock, option, futures, forex or index. Then the symbol, then entry, you can add your target and stop loss, where then risk reward ratio, and you can add some notes if you want, and also you can add some tags. Now here you can find the stats here. You can find all of your stats here, all the analytics. Currently you are going through easy, are you are on loss, or you are winning. So all of will this actually show, like here the performance, that win rate, expectancy, the profit factor, average win hold, average loss, and average wins, win streak, loss streak, top loss with top win, all of this from here. And here is the chart, graph chart, that can help you to get all the details from here. This is where you can actually add some filters if you want specific data. You can hide the data by simply click on this eye icon from here, and here is a calendar where it can actually be helpful for task management or planning for new trade or trading on your trading career or for portfolio. Now here is the settings that already I have told you. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.